Fixing the compass coordinates display on your iPhone. 16 ensures accurate location information for navigation and location-based tasks. Here's what you should do if the compass app is not displaying the right coordinates on your new iPhone. First, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to the bottom section and tap on Apps. Find Compass from the list of apps and then tap on it to proceed. Once you're in the Compass app's settings, tap on Location. Under the Allow Location Access section, select while using the app or ask next time or when I share. Also make sure that the precise location switch is turned on. If it's not, toggle the switch to enable the feature. After configuring these settings, head back to the home screen and launch the Compass app. By then, your coordinates should already appear at the bottom of the screen. The compass coordinates provide precise location information on your iPhone. This information is required to enable features like navigation, mapping, location-based services, and sharing your current position. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.